In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rebalance pie in trading 2-12. By the end, you'll know exactly what rebalancing means, why it matters, and how to do it smoothly using the app or the web platform, with a few practical tips so you feel confident before you hit confirm. First, let's clarify what rebalance means. In a pie, you set target percentages for each investment. Over time, markets move, and some holdings grow faster than others. That drift pulls your actual weights away from your plan. Rebalancing simply brings your pie back to those original targets. Imagine you set Apple at 50% and Tesla at 50%. After a while, Apple rises and your pie shifts to 60% Apple and 40% Tesla. Rebalancing will sell a portion of Apple and buy more Tesla so your pie returns to the intended 50-50 split. It's a maintenance step that keeps your strategy aligned with your goals, rather than letting recent performance dictate your allocation. Here's how to do it. Open the Trading 212 app or log in on the web. From the main screen, go to Portfolio, then Pies, and choose the specific pie you want to adjust. In the pie view, look for the Rebalance option, typically found in the Overview or Holdings section. Tap or click Rebalance to generate a preview. Take your time with this screen. You'll see what the platform plans to sell and buy to restore your targets, along with estimated quantities and values. Make sure everything matches your expectations, then confirm when you're comfortable. If the market is closed, your orders will queue and execute when it opens. After you confirm, the platform handles the heavy lifting. It automatically sells the positions that are overweight and buys the ones that are underweight. Orders are executed during market hours at available market prices, and you might notice a temporary pie cash balance as trades settle and the system redistributes funds. That's normal and should clear as all orders complete. A couple of important warnings before you proceed. Rebalancing can result in selling some holdings at a loss, so the value of your portfolio may decrease compared to simply holding. Also, if you're dealing with investments in a different currency, you may incur foreign exchange fees as the platform converts between currencies during the process. Prices can fluctuate while orders are being filled, so final amounts may vary slightly from the preview. That's it. Rebalancing keeps your pie aligned with your plan. Review, confirm, and let the system handle the trades.